More than 85% of women struggle with the skin condition known as cellulite. And contrary to popular belief, cellulite may appear despite a healthy diet and regular exercise. Regardless of age, many women are simply predisposed to having cellulite. Genetic makeup, hormones, and vascular changes may all contribute to the condition of the skin.
Rotate out, perfect.
But now, there's a new way to treat cellulite safely and effectively. It's called Smoothshapes from LMA Medical. It's a new, non-invasive, painless treatment designed to promote healthy tissue and to yield smoother skin with lasting results.
I didn't know what to expect, but once it started, I almost fell asleep. But I didn't want to fall asleep because it felt so good.
It's really quite gentle and relaxing. You just lay there and have a nice conversation or read a book, and it's very, very easy treatment.
It was great for me. I didn't have to do a thing, just enjoy. It felt like the most intense massage I'd ever had. Intense in that it was healing and rejuvenating. I felt alive.
I never felt any discomfort. I never experienced any swelling or bruising. It was, all in all, very, very painless.
Something's going on underneath the skin that is making a difference.
The Smoothshapes treatment is effective because it treats the underlying causes of cellulite. Cellulite appears as changes occur within the hypodermal layer. Fat cells absorb lipids, become enlarged, and take on irregular shapes. The collagen in the fibers loses flexibility and can become rigid and brittle. The stiffer columns pull the skin in some areas, while the enlarged fat cells push and create bulges in other areas. The result is the dimpled surface we know as cellulite. The Smoothshapes system, featuring photomology technology, facilitates changes in the skin, resulting in improvement in the appearance of cellulite. Treatment sessions are typically about 20 minutes. Although treatment times will vary with each individual, on average, 2 treatments per week over 4 weeks will be sufficient to yield noticeable, lasting results with no recovery time.
No, there's no restrictions to being outside in the sunshine, which is very important to me because I'm outside with my kids all the time, going to the beach, playing tennis, and there's absolutely no restrictions.
Here's how photomology works. Each cell membrane is like a fine mesh strainer. Light energy directly increases the permeability of the fat cell membrane. As the light penetrates, the mesh widens. While these changes are underway, another laser wavelength is being applied simultaneously. These wavelengths target fat cells, and the lipids within the fat cells are liquefied. With the help of vacuum massage and mechanical manipulation, liquefied fat is able to move out of the cell and be transported to the body's lymphatic system. The fat cells become smaller and regain their more uniform shape. Collagen is rejuvenated, and there's better circulation throughout the treatment area. The result is smoother, tighter skin.
There was a point where it was like, wow, my skin looks so good on the backs of my thighs. Do you want to see? No.
Probably at my 4th treatment, I started to see things kind of firm up and my skin looked smoother, but by 8 weeks it was even more so, and now it's been 2 months since my last treatment and it's even better.
It really does kind of reshape, remodel the skin. I don't have the lumpy bumpies as much. You know, I was happy to get in the swimsuit this year.
I actually was at the beach for a week and had a compliment on my legs from my girlfriend, and I feel much more confident in shorts and bathing suits.
I didn't even tell my husband about it when I started, and he's the one that started noticing, checking me out, which is nice when your husband's still checking you out after 20 years.
I don't think you can put a price on feeling confident and looking good. I think it's all worth it.
I say go for it. I am a firm believer that it works, and I am seeing continued results even after my treatment of 2 months ago.
I love Smoothshapes. I do. Smoothshapes has made me realize the value of taking care of myself. Get it, ladies. You're worth it.
Perhaps that's why Smoothshapes has received so much positive media coverage from the nation's biggest television and print outlets. Be sure to ask your treatment provider about Smoothshapes from LMA Medical.